What's up, everybody? I am back to y'all with another video. Man, I'm so happy to be at the house. It's been a long 3 weeks and I am back checking on my car. And somebody DM'd me and told me somebody stole my wheels, man. I was like, yeah, it's impossible when my car locked up, but I am back. It's been 3 weeks since I started this car, so I'm about to give y'all a nasty cold start. Hopefully the battery ain't dead. But we finna find out if I got my key. Oh, I left my key. I left my key in my other car, y'all. Hold on 1 second. Alright, so 3 weeks. I ain't seen my car. It's a little dirty, of course, but I am about to go get this thing detailed because tomorrow, Stunna Jam, it's going down in Myrtle Beach. About to get this car detailed, get it ready for tomorrow, and hopefully it starts. So let's try to get a cold start. The battery ain't dead. It's not dead. It's not dead. Oh, I'm so excited to drive this car again. It's going down tomorrow. Don't meet me there. Meet me there. Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Stunna Jam. I'ma holla at y'all.